So what's good about cluster analysis is that when clusters are formed, the variability within the cluster is minimal. But the variability between clusters are maximum. So that's what cluster analysis attempt to do. So those who recall the analysis of variance, the fundamental concept in analysis of variance is to look at for the variability among groups. Like if there are various categories, then we try to, in ANOVA, we try to relate to a dependent variable, but our independent variable is broken up into different categories. So these different categories are like clusters. But in analysis of variance, what we do is we try to, rather than minimize the variability within the group, we maximize the variability within the group and minimize the variability between groups. So it does the opposite in the analysis of variance. But in cluster analysis, it is about creating homogeneous groups. And then those homogeneous groups are distinctly different that we have created. So cluster analysis is helpful when we look at various constraints and want an input. Sometimes we use cluster analysis as an input to our research, or you can even use it in practice. Let's say you have you given some money and you've been asked to look at the possibility of opening up 3 supermarkets, but you have the possibility of opening up, or there's potential and viability of opening up 5 supermarkets. But because of the or the budgetary constraints that the organization has, they want to come up with the best 3 supermarkets. And then you can conduct cluster analysis to find out where should be the best 3 supermarkets that you can have, or the 3 best, so that you can maximize profitability based on various input parameters that you want to use: customer affordability, population, and so forth. So it's helpful. All these techniques are in fact helpful in practice.